Picture this, a creature, majestic and resilient, traversing the arid landscapes of Central Asia. Known as the Bactrian camel, this hardy animal is a beacon of endurance. With 2 humps on its back, it's uniquely designed to survive and thrive in harsh desert environments. Did you know that Bactrian camels can carry up to 400 pounds for up to 30 miles in a day? It's no wonder they're called the ships of the desert. They're also incredibly adaptable, with the ability to survive in temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit in winter to over 100 degrees in summer. So, next time you think about resilience, remember the Bactrian camel, a true testament to survival in the face of adversity. Until next time, stay curious.